Here's Repair and Run, professional bike, e-bike, and e-scooter repair. Here's Timbuktu, which is a store that sells bags and other kinds of items similar to that. Views, the vape store. Here's a vintage clothing store, which used to be an electronic surplus store, or I should say an army surplus store. There's the Arc'teryx. And Foot Locker. There's Sonder and Beverly. There's another cannabis store called Corey. Here's Kit and Ace. Looks like a men and women's clothing store. And your sushi time. Here's Groovy, sells shoes, and So Hip Toronto, Toronto's oldest skateboard shop since 1991. Here's a Chipotle Mexican grill. We're now walking east on Queen Street. Across the street there is Holy Cow Steakhouse. Here's another shoe store called Scarpino. This here at the corner used to be a Second Cup Coffee and a Pinkberry frozen yogurt that has closed down after the pandemic. We're now here at Queen and John Street. On the right here is Much Music Building. There's a Starbucks coffee on the northeast side. There's a Garden View convenience store, and I think, slash small supermarket on the northwest side. Here's a Much Music Building, I believe, which is now called Bell Media Studios. There's Mi Va Mi, East Mediterranean food. They have very, very good food. I highly recommend Mi Va Mi food. Very high quality food that they serve there. And there's the CN Tower. There's a Much Music parking lot with the car stuck in the wall with its wheel spinning. And there's a store there called Marvelous Patisserie. Here's a Supreme store. There's a Scotia Bank. There's a mural. There's a CN Tower. There's one mural here. This looks like it would be, I think this is Banksy's work. I'll take a closer look. It says it's Mehiar. Here's At Art of Fate mural. Here's the Bombay authentic Indian cuisine. Here's Akusha ramen chicken. Or sorry, Akusha ramen, and this is chicken. Here's an amazing restaurant called Little India Restaurant, fine Indian cuisine. I've had a chance to try their food on several occasions, and every time it was amazing. I highly recommend their stuff. I think some of their stuff is a little bit on the spicy side, but it's a kind of delicious spicy, if you know what I mean. Here's a cannabis lifestyle shop called Hollywood High. There's a tattoo shop, Adrenaline Toronto, beside Toronto's cannabis shop called The Friendly Stranger Cannabis. And across the street we have the Rex, which offers live music 7 days a week. Here's Ascadenia Mezza Diner, and they have halal food here. There's Planta on Queen. Here's Toronto Cannabis Authority. And here's Clutch Vape. As you can tell, Toronto's got a very lively cannabis scene. Here's a real fruit bubble tea. This is where I did a review of in the Eaton Center. I had their taro slush, which was very good. I highly recommend it. Here's a look towards the downtown core. Here's a Rexall. This building is the Osgood Health Center. So there's a wide variety of medical services being offered, such as family medicine, physiotherapy, chiropractic services, etc. The stairs go down to Osgood Station. Here's the design in this building. If anyone knows what kind of a design this is or what this means, please let me know in the comments below. I'm very curious to find out. That building there is the Shangri-La. Here's a look north up University Avenue. There's the Adam Beck Memorial. Adam Beck greatly contributed to the development of the Ontario hydroelectric system. I believe that there is the South African War Memorial, if I'm not mistaken. Over here is the Four Seasons Center for the Performing Arts. It is a very nice day here in Toronto. Very sunny, very warm, but also not humid, which is nice. So you can enjoy the warm sun without feeling too sticky. This is where you'll find the box office for the Canadian Opera Company, National Ballet of Canada. Here's a 501 Queen streetcar going all the way to Neville Park.
Just on the recommended flow on the TTC. And everybody else go.
We're now walking east on Queen Street and we're passing York Street. This here is Sheraton Hotel. This is the parking area of the Sheraton Hotel. Today's the Toronto Outdoor Art Fair at Nathan Phillips Square. So I want to make a video giving you guys a little overview.
Eu não sei se ele